Spider-Man will come on. Did you just say holy shit? This may or may not get copyrighted, but we are back on our nostalgic trip down memory lane, bro. This will be episode number 3. I did 2 looking ass niggas. I was about to do another video, but then I came across this video, which is probably more relatable, you know? So, sounds 2000's kids will remember forever. Nostalgic sounds, bro. I'm curious. I am very curious. I know for a fact a PlayStation 2 sound is going to be on here. Maybe some zoo pets. I don't know. Pillow pets and I don't know. 2000s, bro. Early 2000s. What else was popping? Hooked on Phonics and My Credit Report. Shit, bro. All right, yeah. Let's put this on screen. Here we go. Nostalgic sounds. 2000 kids. And here we go. Yes. That's clearly Mickey Mouse. I told you. That sound is so nostalgic. It's like we all was that one kid, middle of the night. Honestly, just like tonight, it's almost 12 midnight. I already woke up my woman because I'm loud. I'm always loud. And you try to play the game and you hit that button, it go deep. And then you hear this loud as shit. You just know your mom about to come in there and kick you through the wall. That old Apple sound. Oh, Android back there. Mario. Every home Disney John. Yup. You get a DVD or a VCR, it's gonna have this. I ain't gonna lie, that sound was in one of the Jurassic Parks, and that's what's the most scariest sound. It's just fucking terrifying, bro. I forget what Jurassic Park it in, but the phone is sitting there. They can't get to the phone, but the dinosaur is right there, and it's Nokia, a bar phone. Yeah, we know that's Windows Vista. The GOAT of all GTAs, by the way. Xbox, the last great Xbox system. Everything else they do is ass. You know, I've never used that before. I've seen it in movies, but maybe because I don't know. Oh my gosh. That's a throwback. Pixar, yep, Toy Story, or Cars, or anything related, you know. In fact, this is the longest running TV show to this date, if you didn't know. It still has new episodes coming up, bro. That is insane. Oh, we're back. MGM?
EA Sports. It's in the game. EA Sports. It's in the game.
You gotta do it twice. Vice City. The PS2 was goated, bro. The Looney Tunes. Bro, this might be one of my favorite game systems, bro. GameCube. Oh my god, all the games on there, from Zelda to Super Smash Brothers Melee to Mario Kart Double Dash, you know. Oh my god. Luigi's Mansion. It was so many great games on that system, and the disc was like that big. It was small, bro. I thought that came out in like 2099 though. I don't know what this is. Yeah, we ain't had Max in the crib when I was a kid. Nah, it was another one before this. It was Nick Nickelodeon. No, that's the one I grew up with. Wii Sports. I whoop everybody ass some boom. Come see me, bro. Yep. And then Spider-Man will come on. Did you just say holy shit? What's that? Yo! They cursing at Pac-Man, bro. Oh, Shrek. We already know Shrek. Over the hedge. Kung Fu Panda. I ain't gonna lie. I just talked to somebody and they showed me the very last episode of Pokemon and I fucking cried, bro. I cried. Because when I watched it, I'm like, it can't be. Ash can't just give up because he became the... No, they can keep going. Keep making new stories, bro. Oh my god, the first Pokemon. Nothing would beat this.
I know it's my destiny.
You're my best friend. Sega. You're not gonna say Sega. It's about to say. I honestly don't know where this is from. Which show is this? I heard this so many times and I just don't know. Smell like Teen Spirit. I ain't gonna lie, I do miss me a good boy band though. I don't know that song. Says that AOL dollar.
Here we go again. Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights baller country.
I ain't gonna lie to you. It's not a sound, that is a quote. y'all tried it though. I see what y'all was doing.
Now I ain't representing.
Crazy Frog. Why I gotta be Slim Slim? I'm bringing sexy back. I've never had one of these.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Oh, I just put my couple legs in.
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
Caramel pictures. Next.
Mario Kart, Wii.
Not my favorite Mario Kart at all.
From Hannah Montana,
I remember these.
and you are watching Disney Channel.
They did the little shit. Yo. We're gonna solve a mystery. What's this? What y'all know about that Scooby-Doo? That we show. I just mentioned the dial-up internet, bro. Y'all speaking my language, bro. Game Boy Advance. I remember this. Oh, my PSP, bro. Rest in peace. That was that work. I love the pop-up girls. Nigga, what y'all know about Tamagotchis? What do y'all know about Tamagotchis? Yo, this generation wouldn't know how to make a Tamagotchi survive. Every Tamagotchi would be dead in 2026, bro. They don't even know how to take care of themselves. They don't even wash their feet, bro.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Terrorists win. Counter-terrorists win.
I still have never beaten a Sonic game. Windows XP, goodbye. Oh my god. Mario die. That's literally the first game I had when I got a Wii. Man, oh my god. That I gotta hear that one more time. That's one for your ass right there. No, I don't want to hear this again. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. I am a god in this game, bro.
Wands and wings, floating brownie things.
Windows 7. Damn, what we on? Windows 11 now?
This
That's
is
classic.
Boomerang from Cartoon Network.
Halo. They are the reason why Nickelodeon is what they are, because Nickelodeon was at its best when this group was making all the animations and all the cartoons and shit. When they left, everything went downhill. GTA 3. I haven't played that on the channel yet. That game hard. That game is fucking hard. Okay. A lot of people don't know, I'm not a huge fan of Star Wars, but everybody kept busting my balls about, oh, you never seen Star Wars? What kind of, you're not a, so I watched every single Star Wars. And I only like one. The rest of them shits is ass, bro. I'm sorry. It's a hot take. You want to know which one is my favorite? We will do a top 10 or 11. How many movies they got? We'll do a top 11 Star Wars if y'all really want to know my answer. What was my favorite out of all of those trash movies? Let me know in the comments. Reese's Puff. Reese's Puff. Peanut butter chocolate flavor. I don't even know what this is. Ooh. What y'all know about Dreamcast though? Whoa there. Dreamcast. That Sonic Adventures? Original PlayStation. Every time I hear this, I think of Spyro or I think of Crash Bandicoot. Windows 95. What the hell? I remember that. The little caveman on the Geico commercial.
Education connection.
Didn't I just say I was gonna see the connections and all that stuff? I told y'all. I think I said creditreport.com. That's one of them too though.
For free with education connection.
Log on now.
Do a barrel roll.
That's a classic.
Do a barrel roll.
Nah, don't. I've never heard that before. Or that. Just because you play it twice, that don't make me remember. Happy Madison, bro. Billy Madison? First thing that popped in my head. Oh, that's it? That's it? So, we're gonna start off by telling y'all to go to Panda Music and subscribe to their channel, just like I did, bro. That take you back. That really take you back. All those different sounds, the music, you can probably picture where you were or a time of what you were doing from each one of those sounds, honestly. Like, they're all just childhood memories, bro. And that's all we want to do as adults, is kind of relive our childhood. Like, oh, I remember that, or I wish I can go back, you know. But, you know, we're stuck as adults and we only get older and older until we die. How depressing does that sound, you know? But nobody can take away that we lived through that. We lived probably through the last greatest time in the 90s and early 2000s. And after 2000, probably 2010, after 2010, technology took over and everything started to suck. That's just really what happens, you know? But, I mean, somebody said that Nokia sound always has a special place in my heart. You see how people you just get taken aback. You get goosebumps. That memory lane, bro. I live off that memory lane. We all remember waking up to the privacy, it's a crime in the middle of the night. Yeah, you wanna know why? Because everybody was stealing music from LimeWire. That's why. That commercial made us scared because we were pirating music and movies and TV shows. We were giving our computers AIDS, bro. If we were scared, we were gonna get caught and go to jail. It's crazy. Oh man. This is so nostalgic, coming from the 90s. A trip down memory lane. Thanks for sharing. I appreciate you, Panda, for posting this. And for all of us to watch, bro. I hope y'all go to her, or I'll say her. Go to their channel and subscribe to them. Whoever runs the channel. I will see you guys in another nostalgic trip down memory lane, you know. I like these, and we're going to keep these going because, you know, why watch them by myself when I can watch them with y'all? That's what really matters, you know? So we're going to hop right out this video. Thank y'all. I love the love and the support, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace.